this video, let me show you how you actually put a favicon for your blog post to nicely appear with your so say like on this blog, for example, right? So you can see my name is there, but my image is not appearing. So I'm going to show you how you actually put an image and a WordPress, how you can easily do that. You can go to edit profile, but if you go on default, it's not going to have you can change your profile picture on Gravatar, which you can actually go, and if your email registered and all those things. But I'm going to show you the short way you can do that. You go to add new plugins, and then there is a plugin called, normally I like to put this one, which is very easy, free plugin I've tested so far, has been pretty fine, and over the years I've been using this plugin. And then once you install that plugin, you go to the edit profile again, and then from there you scroll down. Now you have a nice option to pick the image and give any image that you prefer. Let me try to I'll give this one. Normally I've been giving this first for most of my blogs, so gave it, saved it, and it's actually didn't show here. It will pick up when you want to go back to the site, and then go to blogging. Let's click the blog title, and it's nicely showing, right? So that's perfectly showing, and even under the authorship. So that's pretty easy to do that. The other one more thing you can do is like how to give a author bio for the post, right? So background permission, you can see yeah, I gave that one, that's enough, right? So I update it again, and that's about it really. Once you do that, and once you come near a post, it will nicely, it depends with the themes, right? Some themes actually show, like even in this one, you can see nicely show the author bio section, right? So it's pretty easy and the stuff. And that's how you pretty much fill up your author bio section with a nice image, which you can give to each of your blog posts. It's very important. A lot of people, even at Seeker House building, PBNs, private blogs, do not have that. It doesn't look really good. And the other thing, they will have weird author names, admin names, which comes with default. You gotta change this one. If you're building a blog to monetize, sell guest posts, do proper affiliate marketing, make even more trust for the reader to consume your knowledge, you gotta make sure your blog is built in such of a way people want to see who's behind. Is it a real person, real photo, who's behind? Now look at how beautiful it is. So that's how you go about doing it. Now it's about how to get your blogs done.